Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now. Open the MamaEarth'thy Rosemary kit and verify content so nothing interrupts the routine. Wet your hair with lukewarm water until evenly soaked. This helps the shampoo foam and penetrate. Apply a coin-size amount of rosemary shampoo to palms, emulsify, and then work into scalp using fingertips, not nails, focusing on roots for 2-3 minutes to lift oil and buildup. Once done, rinse thoroughly. Make sure water runs clear before moving to conditioning, so product adheres to clean cuticles. After rinsing shampoo, squeeze excess water so hair is 1/2 to 3/4 wet. This concentration helps conditioner cling. You then apply a generous nickel-to-palm amount of rosemary conditioner from mid-lengths to ends. Avoid the scalp unless it's very dry, because the formula seals cuticles and reduces frizz. Leave it in for 2-4 minutes while you massage your scalp with fingertips for circulation. Then, using a wide-tooth comb, detangle from tips upward. Rinse with cool water to lock the shine and close the hair cuticle. To finish, towel blot gently and apply 2-3 drops of rosemary oil serum to damp ends. This tames frizz and adds shine. Do not pile oil at the roots. Let hair air dry or use a blow dryer on low heat with a heat protectant if you need styling. Once dry, use the wooden comb to smooth. If you notice itch, redness, or excess oiliness, stop using the product immediately. Rinse thoroughly, perform a fresh patch test, and consult a dermatologist if symptoms persist beyond 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.